Where are you going? Where is home?
It's where I can breathe. At the rate I can, gently lifts and drifts away from me. Where I don't have to be strong, just to get through the day. But I can be joyful, just because I'm there. It's where I'm free. Free to exist without explaining myself, without hiding parts of me, just to be accepted. Home is where I can smile at someone, or even alone, and it still feels enough. It's where my energy returns to me, rising brighter with every moment, where there is no quiet hatred, no hidden jealousy, no tension behind kind words, only peace that welcomes every part of me, only love that celebrates me.
Is it beautiful?
Beautiful. Not in the way the world measures it. It may not shine, it may not
صورنا لكم
impress
النهر
anyone,
استمتعوا هيك بصوت
but it
الطبيعة.
feels like warmth after a long, cold night.
صلاح
A
خليل عم
place
بيصور
where
يا
a
جماعة.
tired soul can finally rest.
ذاك
And
هو
rise again renewed.
سنايبر. الله عليك.
I haven't found it yet. Maybe I'm still walking, still searching for it in silence. But I know it exists, because something inside me still believes in a
نرجع.
place where I'm not just accepted, but deeply happy and completely at peace.
Will you keep going?
Yes. Until I find that place, or build it with my own hands, I will keep walking toward.
Home.